All right, we got our first flag up for the day. We'll go check it out, see if it's spinning. Fish on. Is there a fish on?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys, first fish of the day right here. We're out here tip-up fishing the Mille Lacs for big pike.
Oh.
Looked like it had some weight.
Yep. I seen
He must have just
this
been
come in and one shaking.
He must have been gnawing on it. All right, let's get back to the shack. How does it feel to lose our first fish of the day?
Oh, not very good. But hey, it's still early. I ain't got nowhere to be but fishing.
We're gonna be down here watching the aqua view and see if we can get another one. Oh, nope, you go get that.
That's a fish.
That's a fish. All right. Set that hook good. All right, guys, it looks like we got a good fish on. Yep, that's what we want. We're out of line. Holy crap.
It's a lot bigger than that last one.
Here's your redemption. Got ourselves a nice fish on, guys. Nice pike, nice pike. Big pike. Big pike. Yeah, just take your time. Yep. He needs, he's got a couple good runs. So we come to Mille Lacs.
We just got done talking about how we're gonna wait for that line to start spooling off.
That is a nice fish. This is awesome. Woo! He liked that active sucker we put on there. Oh my God, that's a big pike. Take your time. That is a massive pike, guys. What do you think of that, Alan?
Sweet, Brian.
This is awesome. Let's get
for.
big Mille Lacs pike. Let's get this guy in. Sorry if the audio is a little windy. It's
not pleasant out here.
Not pleasant at all, but this is one heck of a nice pike we got on, guys. Yeah, he's so big he doesn't want to come up the hole.
I can't get his head turned.
Let's see if we can get a shot of him when he comes up. Wow, look at that guy. That is a big pike. There he goes.
I can't get his head up there, Brian.
Look at that, guys. He is stuck sideways. Oh, what are we gonna do? We're in a pinch. He's ready to come up too. We might have to poke him down and lift. Oh,
We need the
ice scoop.
ice scoop.
All right, guys, we got to improvise here. Look at the size of that pike, guys. Here he comes. Oh, he's barely hooked. Here he comes. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that, boys. Wow.
Here we go.
Mille Lacs, baby.
That's what we came for.
Wow. Look at the girth on that pike. Wow. Just barely hooked there. Got one of the hooks in its mouth. Look at that chunker. Let's get that guy unhooked. Let's get that guy back in the water. What do you think of that, Alan?
That is awesome. My biggest pike ever tip up fishing.
Let's get him a nicer kickoff here. Get him, make sure he's charged up, ready to go. How big do you think that is? Woo! Let's go back and wait.
A lively one on camera.
Alright guys, we just had Pike come in on the aqua view here we're watching, and I'll show you that tip up that's right there if you guys can see that. Not sure, but we're watching that tip up there. We got 2 more out there, 1 out that window, and just had something come through, so we'll wait it out and see if we can get a flag.
Whoa, here it goes.
Alright, got another tip up, guys.
Feed it, feed it. Take when you're ready.
Got him. Not as big as that last one, but it's another fish. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Still a good fish.
Decent fish on the tip up there. Check that one out, guys. My first fish of the day on the tip up for myself. Not as big as that Mille Lacs giant we just got, but a great fish nonetheless. So let's get this unhooked and send her back down the hole. Nice little Mille Lacs pike. Let's let her go. All right. Another nice chunky pike. Let's get her charged up and send her back down. All right. Oh, we are ready to go.
Splish splash.
Woo! Mille Lacs, baby. That's 2. Get back in there.
Fun, ain't it?
That's fun. That was a nice pike. Yeah, yours was like 40 inches.